You police?
Yes, sir.
What kind of police are you?
State.
State? Where's your ID?
What is your problem?
What is your ID? Where's your ID?
I have my ID.
Let me see it.
I don't need to show it to you.
You're a public official. You have to show it to me.
What seems to be
Name
the
and
problem,
badge.
sir?
Name and badge number.
My badge number is B900, State Fish and Wildlife. Now, what
Why
is the
isn't your car
problem?
marked?
Why?
Why?
Because that's what it is.
No, you can't have an unmarked car. It's a.
Okay, let me see
Is
your
it a?
ID.
Is it a state car?
Let me see your
Where's
ID.
the crime?
Let me see your
I'm a
ID.
private citizen. Where's the crime that I
You're
committed?
You're blocking traffic, sir.
I'm not blocking traffic.
Yes, you are.
Now I'm questioning an imposter is what I'm doing.
An imposter.
Yeah.
Now, what else you want?
You know you can't have that car with blue and white lights. Blue and red lights. You know that.
What seems to be the problem with you, sir?
You know that. You're breaking the law. If I would do that, I would be arrested.
Who are you?
Don't worry who I am.
Then why are you worried who I am?
Because I'm worried about, you know why?
Hey, you're blocking traffic.
You know why? You know why I'm worried? Because any car like that can have blue and red lights and there not be police officers.
I am a police officer.
Well, now that you identified yourself,
Well,
but you know what?
so what seems to be the problem?
Your car needs to be marked. You can't do
Sir,
off-duty
it
work.
doesn't have to be marked.
You can't do off-duty work with blue and red lights. What's your sergeant's name?
Why are you bringing
What's your sergeant's name, sir?
I don't have a sergeant, sir.
Oh, you don't have a sergeant?
No, I have a lieutenant.
Okay, go ahead. Give me his name and number.
His name is Patrick McDonald.
And
That's my
his number.
Okay. I don't have his number.
So you're state Florida, state and what?
Police officer. Now, what is the problem?
All right, I'll be calling your lieutenant. You'll see.
Okay, you call him.